Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening your graph note workspace and creating a single seed node that holds the main idea. Add 3 to 5 linked nodes immediately. These are specific concepts or examples that branch from the seed. Once done, tag the seed and put the file in one dedicated folder so your graph stays discoverable. You do this because a focused seed creates structure and prevents sprawling maps, and grouping with tags and folders makes future retrieval fast and reliable. Next, expand by creating bidirectional links where relationships are mutual. You add a link from A to B, and from B back to A so context appears both ways. Then cluster related nodes into 2 to 3 subgroups and give each cluster a clear header so the visual map reads like sections. Make node titles short and include 1 to 2 sentence summaries to preserve meaning. You do this because clean links and clusters reduce cognitive load and speed up both thinking and searching. To finish, review all connections and remove duplicates or orphan nodes that add noise. Backup or export a snapshot so you can restore if something breaks. If the graph feels cluttered, collapse entire clusters or refactor by creating new seed nodes and reconnecting core nodes to them. This keeps the map readable. If you hit issues where links disappear, check for typos in node titles and restore from your latest snapshot. This simple check usually resolves missing link problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.